Alright, hey beauties, my name is Chanel if you don't already know. Today I'm Chanel-ing you guys up on this baddie that I have on today, of course. This girl is super like a straight baddie, and I feel like she has a whole lot of body and wave as well, you know. You can add some waves to her, but I did add some natural waves to her earlier on this week, and it like stayed and it holds up pretty well. After that, I didn't really like styled this hair at all. I just basically woke up and just left for my day. So that's one thing I do love about this hair. This gorgeous hair is by Allove hair. I do got in a 22 inches, I believe, and 150 density. Now this hair was super gorgeous, like when it came out straight out the package. It had baby hairs. One thing I did do though is I did go ahead and dye this hair a little bit darker. So it did come like, you know, in the regular natural color, and I went ahead and dyed it into like a more darker brown, which I love, you guys. Look how much shine this hair has, so much luster, you guys, super adorable. And another thing I did do was bleach my knots. So I was not lazy this time, you guys. I didn't just go ahead and put powder. Actually, the fact that I bleached my knots just made me put less powder on my hair. Honestly, like less makeup, if that makes any sense, just to try to mute out those knots, because guess what? I already bleached those knots, so I don't need to mute out any knots because they're bleached, you know what I mean? So I did love that, and it gives a really natural appeal to it. Make sure when you guys do it, you know, you're bleaching your knots, if you do so, that you just don't over process it. Don't leave it on for too long, sis, because we're not giving blonde ends. I mean blonde roots. Another thing that I wanted to make sure that you guys keep a note of is that if you don't want to do the bleach knots, you always can go ahead and do the alternative like I usually do, which is like just a, you know, a little bit powder, makeup powder, or your foundation color on top of it, like dab on top of it of your part or wherever that's showing, like, you know, like the knots, like the dark knots, you know, you just could mute those out with your foundation color. Super easy. Other than that, I love this hair. I think this hair is just super easy to manage. Like, it's just that straight hair that just stays straight. I know lots of my gals out there was just informing me, I think like 3 of you guys or about 4 of you guys messaged me on Instagram and Snapchat letting me know what are some like bomb straight hair that actually stay straight. This is the thing, there's natural straight and there's straight. So this is one of those hairs that actually like stays straight, and even when you wash it and it has like when it dries, it just dries actually straight. All you possibly would need to do, of course, is just straighten it, just to like, you know, have it like bone straight. But once you straighten it that one time, it like stays straight throughout the whole week, unless like you put it in a ponytail and it has that ponytail ring or whatever. But other than that, y'all, it just stays straight. I don't need to reach out for my straighten iron every morning or every time I'm heading out. Like, yeah, like this hair just stays straight, y'all. But I love how it holds body as well. Like, it just, it's a little body, like, you know, you can like puff it out. One thing is because it is so long, and I do got it at 150 density, I feel like the density is actually really perfect for this hair. But however, like, I just feel like the hair could just be a little bit thicker, just a little bit. But it is like a perfect natural type of density. Like, if you don't want it to be too full or like too thick, this is the way to go. But if you like this look, sis, and you want some volume, just go ahead and use some drying shampoo and just buff out the roots. Or if you want it to be a little bit fuller, make sure you get something higher than 150 density. Now, as far as fitting of the head, you guys, fitting was super great. I do have a small head, so it fit pretty well. I do have a lot of room in there, to be honest with you. So I want to say like normal size cap is like it can fit like medium size to small head girl, but they do offer like different size caps for you guys, just in case if you were interested in that. As far as shipping goes, you guys, shipping got to me within 4 business days. Super bomb. They're really great with shipping so far. So great. This is the first time I actually like picked up a hair from Allove hair. Allove. I want to say Allove or Allove. You guys know I'm bad at pronouncing names, but the logo's up there and the direct link to this baddie is down below, you guys. I love her. I think she's a cutie. She's a baddie. So if you was looking for a really straight bomb hair that stays straight and that's actually straight, that's not natural straight, here is your winner right here, you guys. The link is down below. Go ahead and pick up yours right now. I think they did amazing on this hair, you guys. Smash the like buttons if you're loving her. Let me know what type of length that you would get in this baddie right here, and if you get in the same length, what density would you get, you guys. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, you guys, till next time.